Okay, today we're reviewing the magnetic watch band for repairing screws, like for repair that they put screw onto the watch. This one's made by, right there, JM-X4 magnetic wristband. Okay, let's see how strong it is. It'd be handy for people that don't have a magnet pad. I already have that pad already, so I just want to see what this do. The same way Apple Watch Connect, you see, iWatch Connect, the band, the way the iWatch connect theirs. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. Now let's see how strong the magnet is. Let's take this pad out. Okay, I'm gonna stick some metal stuff on it. Okay. Not bad. You see it? I just drop it into it. I didn't have to. It's pretty strong, the magnet. Watch again. You notice? It didn't bounce off of it. Must be pretty strong magnet. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look. It's stacking on top of each other. Let me take all this off. It's strong enough for a little screw, yeah. Okay, these slots right here, those are for, I guess, putting extra screw there, or a little compartment for stuff that you ran out of space to put, you just stick it there. What do you guys think? Necessary or just a gadget? Kind of look like a watch, like Inspector Gadget watch. Be a good gift for a kid starting out, but I don't think I'd use it because I have a magnetic pad already. Okay, thank you guys.